व्हाट्स अप एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू द व्लॉग। सीट सॉल्यूशन दिखाने के पहले मेरे लिए एक फेवर कर दो, मेक श्योर यू गाइज हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन। आई थिंक मेरा सब्सक्राइबर काउंट अभी समवेयर अराउंड 4900 5000 होने ही वाला है, तो मेक इट 5000। आई विल गिव यू अ क्रेजी न्यूज़, बट बिफोर एवरीथिंग हेलमेट डालूंगा और आपको सीट सॉल्यूशन दिखा दूंगा। लेट्स गो। If you haven't seen my recent previous vlogs, मैं गोकर्णा होके आया था, so I broke this guard. It always breaks और इसके अंदर एक स्क्रू का एक पीस भी फंसा हुआ है, so I have to go and get this removed. वो काम भी आज निपटाएंगे, but in today's video seat solution के लिए ग्रैंड पिट स्टॉप का एयर comfy सीट है। so पैकेज ओपन होते ही there is nothing, there is directly the air seat, there is nothing that you have to assemble, सब कुछ assembled ही आता है। and then there is this rain cap, क्योंकि I think this is a leather material, तो probably not the best for the rain. I immediately like the quality. Okay, look at this, ये it's kind of thick and nice, so इतना जल्दी फटेगा भी नहीं। good zip quality, good cover, and these two things will go right under the front seat, but उसके लिए सीट खोलना पड़ेगा। सीट खोलेंगे। There is nothing much to install other than you have to put the seat in through here and इसको pump करेंगे तो हो गया। तो चलो, now there are even adjustable bands here, so it will basically fit on to anything. ये universal है, it's not only for Duke. तो let's get it done. Slip and slide in one. After all the arms have gone in, it's still this loose, right? You guys can see. So to make it tight and keep it like this and done. Bada bing bada boom. Alright, now that the seat is fixed, it's tight also, pretty comfortable. All we have to do is just press this. Yeah, it's like that BP pressure thing. Let me show it to you guys. See, it's that same thing, it's the same ball. All I have to do is press it, fill air and get out. But let me tell you how many pumps it takes for a full air seat to completely blow in. And it took me somewhere around 50 to 70 of these pumps to completely blow it in. And also right now the seat is completely hard, it's completely full. The company suggests that it should have 60 to 50%. That's the comfort or the sweet spot. So all we have to do for that is turn this knob. So as you saw in the video, for the legs to touch from here, the seat height doesn't change a lot. ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क नहीं है, पर थोड़ा तो फ़र्क होगा. Obviously, I think 2 or 3 mm. But if you're very used to your bike, then those 2 or 3 mm shouldn't really make a very big difference to you. Bada bing, bada boom, air seat is installed and ready. The best part about this is you don't have to make modifications to your real seat. I don't like doing permanent modifications to my stock bike. This is nice, right? जब लॉन्ग राइड होता है तभी तो हमें कंफर्टेबल सीट्स चाहिए. So you can just put it when you want and then remove it. Also, this costs somewhere around 2500. There are two models, 2500 and 4000. You can check the website, link in the description, coupon code AKI Vlogs. बाकी की बातें मोटो व्लॉग पे. इसे भी टी करवाना है और हमें तो सिर्फ राइड करने के लिए एक बहाना चाहिए. So I'll tell you how comfortable it is. Let's go. We haven't had the best weather in Mangalore for the longest time. It's always been raining, तो इसके लिए वीडियो नहीं आ रहा था. और मैंने बताया था ना, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to give a crazy news for you guys as soon as my channel hits 5000 subscribers. Also, as soon as I sit in the seat, I feel like हैंडल बार थोड़े ऊपर करवाना पड़ेगा. मैं वैसे भी सोच रहा था कि आई वॉन्ट टू रेज दी हैंडल बार्स अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज आई क्रंच माई बैक अ लॉट व्हेन आई राइड. तो अब तो लगवाना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज थोड़ा हाइट इंक्रीज़ होता है. सो वी हैव टू सिट कंफर्टेबली. एनीवेज, राइट नाउ लेट्स गो एंड वो गार्ड को टी करवाते हैं बिकॉज एज सुन एज आई स्टार्ट राइडिंग, कैन यू हियर दैट साउंड? The air seat, especially for Duke 390, is a very good accessory because it does not look like an accessory. It fits perfectly and it almost camouflages perfectly with the normal stock seat that we have. It doesn't look like a very big new addition. It doesn't make the bike look very odd or anything like that. If anybody from the Grand Pit Stop team is watching this video, please make an air seat for Xpulse 200 because that seat is very narrow. बहुत ही hard है. So I was actually looking for a air seat that actually fits the Xpulse 200. Couldn't find anything. Having said that, I also got a bunch of comments asking why not a gel seat rather than an air seat. So the thing about a gel seat is over a period of time it is going to become hard like your normal cushion seats. This is like a one-time investment. Gel seats are also more expensive. This is kind of feasible, 2,500 to 4,000 for quite some time. I think 4 or 5 years I can use this one. So it's a one-time investment. That's why I went for an air seat. And also आप खुद adjust कर सकते हो ना कि how hard or how soft you guys want it. And the best part is it's right under your seat. So it's in reach. While you're riding you can adjust it. You can make it hard or soft just the way you guys like it. Dhani, नेता वेल्डिंग तो उनकी जाग शॉप उन्नते आ वोल कोन पुनु मूल के एंच पोपना अडेगे नहीं हो गया नहीं हो पाया. So the thing is in Navratri, one of those days we do puja to all of our vehicles and all of our instruments. So since lathe and welding is an instrument, it's closed. They close it early. Since 3 o'clock हुआ है, usually 6-7 they close. They've closed it early because they want to do puja for it tomorrow. तो cleaning वीनिंग के लिए आज ही बंद किया है. I will still try in another place. जो भी करना है जल्दी करना पड़ेगा because all the shops will have the same mentality, right? That we have to do the Ayuda Puja. So everybody will be shutting around at the same time. इसके लिए मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कल करे सो आज करे सो अब whatever you have to do for tomorrow, do it today only. ऐसी लास्ट मोमेंट पे डोंट वेट. एंड आई एम एक्चुअली गेटिंग इट डन बिकॉज शायद मैं कल एक राइड पे जा सकता हूँ, वो भी श्योर नहीं हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव अ स्लाइट बैक पेन गाइस. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई ब्लडी डेवलप्ड इट. आई थिंक वर्क फ्रॉम होम की वजह से आ गया है. सो आई हैव टू फिक्स दिस इफ़ आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ राइड टुमारो. इतना टाइम तो है कि आई कैन शो यू माई कॉलेज. ये रही मेरी कॉलेज, सेंट अलोशियस PU कॉलेज, सेंट अलोशियस PU डिग्री. मेरा PU और डिग्री दोनों मैंने इसी कॉलेज में किया था. खूब मज़े लूटे यहाँ पे. अब चलो चलते हैं लेथ की दुकान पे.
12 seconds later.
उंदी नहीं तो लास्ट टाइम मन पर देता था मुझे. Also, if you guys are worried that this might get stolen, like right now I don't have to worry because it's our own parking lot. Otherwise you can remove it like this. All you have to do is this and then you guys gotta pull it out. All 4 sides. Take this part, only leave the straps here. Easy in and easy out. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.